Hello everyone, welcome back to Evergreen Garden. In today's video, we gonna talk about a beautiful leafy plant. Is called mirror bush plant and commonly we know as marble queen. Some of some of us are known as coprosma plant. It has variegated leaves and looks very beautiful. It found in New Zealand. You can see the white variegated is very distinctive. It is looking very nice. Many wonderful variegated varieties of mirror bush are available today in many exciting colors. The plants also vary greatly in size from ground covers and small shrubs to larger growing specimens. Mirror bushes are evergreen and will grow in semi-shade or full sunlight. Means we can grow them in semi-shade and full sunlight both. They are extremely tolerant to coastal exposure and in humid coastal regions. They can be planted in full sun. But nowadays in rainy season, I have planted them in full sunlight. These leaves are very tender. Let's talk about their water requirement. Mirror plant care is very easy. Watering them regularly after planting it. Once the plant is established, occasional water is usually sufficient. Although mirror plant benefits from water during hot, dry conditions, but be careful not to overwater it. Don't overwater your plant. Although mirror plant likes moist soil, the roots are likely to rot if the soil remains muddy or soggy. So don't overwater it ever. Means mirror plants need frequent watering, especially after planting. Established plants may only need occasional watering. However, hot weather tends to increase the need for moisture. Use a slow release plant fertilizer at the start of spring before new growth starts. Plant in well drained soil or sandy soil as the plant is prone to root rot from overwatering. Transplant plants in the spring before new growth starts. Transplanting isn't required but helps refresh the soil when planting the mirror plant in a container. Trim the plant back as needed in the spring to manage growth. This provides time for the plant to heal before going dormant in the winter. Let's talk about the propagation. Propagate the mirror plant with seeds or cuttings, both. Sow seeds in the spring season using a cold frame. If the seeds are fresh, they may take up to 12 months to germinate. For best result, allow the seeds to ripen. The plants also needs protection during the first winter. If a cold frame isn't an option, grow them indoors or in a greenhouse. After the seedlings appear, water the plant occasionally. Wait for the stems to start trailing before transplanting outdoors or to containers. When propagating with cuttings, only use cuttings from mature wood on the plant. Look for woody branches near the base of the plant. Take cuttings in the spring, allowing the base plant to heal during the warmer weather. Remove the lower sets of leaves from the cutting, leaving at least one set at the top. Allow the cutting to dry overnight. Prepare a pot with sandy soil or cactus mix. mix. Dip the end of the cutting in rooting hormone and place it in the soil. Thoroughly water the soil and cover the pot with a plastic bag. Check the bag daily to prevent mildew or mold growth. After the cutting takes root, wait several weeks before transplanting to ensure it's hardy enough for the move. Choose a sunny position with well drained soil. Enrich the soil with organic plant food, organic fertilizer. If the soil is heavy or clay based, add gypsum and soak in well. Dig the planting hole twice as wide and to the same depth as the root ball. Remove the shrubs from the container gently. These the roots and cut away any circle or tangled roots. Mirror bushes are evergreen and will grow in semi-shade or full sun both. They are extremely tolerant to coastal exposure and in humid coastal regions. They can be planted in full sun also. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.